Do you ever feel your heart racing, your thoughts spiraling, or your chest tightening when you're anxious? You are not alone. Anxiety is one of the most common struggles today, but the good news is there are natural science-backed ways to calm your mind and body. But first, hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing 7 proven techniques you can use daily to manage anxiety naturally without needing to rely on medications. So let's get right in. Number 1, deep breathing and mindfulness. Let me explain. When anxiety hits, your body reacts as if there's a real danger. Your heart starts racing, your muscle tightens, and your thought gets cloudy. Breathing deeply helps flip the switch, thereby telling your nervous system, hey, it's safe to calm down. Here are techniques you should try. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds and hold again for another 4 seconds. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. This action slows your heart rate and clears your mind. Number 2, move your body. Anxiety helps build up energy inside you, and exercise helps release it. This doesn't mean you need an intense workout every day. Research shows that even 20 to 30 minutes of brisk walking, yoga, or stretching reduces stress hormones and boosts endorphins, which is your natural feel good chemicals. If the gym feels overwhelming, start small. Put on your favorite song and dance around your room. Do a few stretches while watching the television. Over time, these little movements add up and create a calmer and more balanced mind. Number 3, nutrition and hydration. What you put into your body affects your anxiety levels. Caffeine and sugar can spike your nervous system, leaving you jittery and anxious. Try cutting back on coffee, energy drinks, or processed snacks if you notice they make your anxiety worse. Instead, nourish your body with foods rich in magnesium, which are found in spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate. This helps to relax your muscles and nerves. Omega-3 found in salmon, chia seeds, and flaxseed. These support your brain health. The B vitamins like eggs, whole grains, and beans. These are essential for a stable mood. And don't forget water, as even mild dehydration can make you feel irritable and anxious. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Number 4 is quality sleep. It is very important to always prioritize your sleep, as anxiety and poor sleep are like brothers and sisters. Lack of rest makes you feel anxious, and anxiety makes it harder to sleep. Always ensure that you create a calming bedtime routine by turning off screens an hour before bed, dimming your light, and reducing the room temperature. Trying a warm shower and by going to bed early so as to wake up at approximately the same time daily. Always remember that a well rested brain handles stress much better than an exhausted one. Number 5, natural support through certain herbs and supplements, as studies have shown their ability to produce calming effects. Some popular ones include lavender, which is used in teas, oils, or aromatherapy for relaxation; green tea extract, which promotes calm focus without drowsiness. Before I forget, also check with your doctor before adding supplements, especially if you're on medication. Number 6, journaling and creative expression. It's also good to let your thoughts out, as anxiety oftentimes comes from overthinking and bottling up worries. Journaling is like giving your mind a release valve. Each night, try writing down at least 3 things you're grateful for, any worries stuck in your mind, one positive affirmation for the next day. This practice trains your brain to focus on what is in your control, and it helps you sleep easier. Now, it's not only journaling you can do. You can draw, you can paint, you can play music, or even engage in gardening. All these can reduce anxiety by giving your mind a creative escape. And finally, number 7, connection, and lifestyle balance. It is advised you don't go through anxiety alone. Humans are wired for connections, and isolation makes anxiety worse. Talk to a trusted friend, a family member, or join a support group. Sometimes just saying your worries out loud makes them feel lighter. Also balance your lifestyle by limiting screen time, especially social media that fuels comparison. Try as much as possible to also spend time in nature, as studies have shown that just 20 minutes outdoor lowers stress. Also practice saying no when you are tired. Anxiety doesn't have to control your life. By combining these natural techniques, you can create a daily routine that brings you more calm and balance. Remember, if your anxiety feels overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional help. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need these tips. And let me know in the comments which of these natural anxiety tips will you try first. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.